Hello and welcome to Astronomy Online at San Diego Mesa College. My name is Stephanie Colby and I'll be your instructor for this course. So welcome, you're in the right place, you've found the Canvas course. So this course is entirely online and everything we'll do in this course can be linked to directly from where you are in this Canvas course. So I just want to start off saying hello, give you a little bit of background about myself, and then I'll dive into some of the details of the course. So I've been working at San Diego Mesa College for just a semester now, but I actually previously worked here as an adjunct about 7 years ago, but I am now hired on as full-time faculty in the Department of Physical Science, so mainly focusing on physics and astronomy. Let's see, I'm originally from Colorado, moved all around the world, married to a Marine, and so I've lived all around the world, various states, Japan, love moving, but I'm really excited to have a full-time job here at Mesa. Let's see, in terms of my education background, I have my bachelor's degree in physics from the University of Colorado at Boulder, my master's degree in astrophysics from the University of Wyoming in Laramie, Wyoming, and I'm currently finishing up my PhD in science education at Curtin University in Western Australia. I love astronomy. I started loving astronomy really back in high school when I first read the book Contact by Carl Sagan, and then later watched the movie with Jodie Foster. If you haven't read that book or watched the movie, I highly recommend it. It's really what drove my passion for astronomy. I'm really interested in instrumentation research astronomy. That's what I did a lot of my graduate work in. But now I'm focusing more of my efforts in how do students learn astronomy and looking at science education. So I'm going to hopefully get to know a little bit more about you as well. We have discussion forums in this class where you'll be able to introduce yourself, and that's actually one of your weekly to-dos for this week is to introduce yourself in the course, get to know yourself, or introduce yourself to others discussion forum. So let's just talk about the breakdown of the course first of all. So the course is organized into weekly modules. So there's only 10 weeks in this course. This is a fast-paced course. So that means we are learning a full 16-week course in only 10 weeks. So be prepared to spend a lot of time in this course. I would estimate about 9 to 12 hours per week just on your studies for this course. So please make sure you think about that as you're scheduling out your next couple of months. So week by week modules, what that means is that every Monday a new module will be available for you, and all of the materials in that module will be due to the following Monday. So that's what I call a Monday to Monday time frame. So there'll be 10 modules for the 10 weeks. Every module is going to look fairly similar. There will be an introduction video from me, so I'll come in and say hi and give you a little introduction of what you're going to learn. There will be a reading assignment, what pages or what chapters you should read in your textbook. There's going to be lecture notes and lecture videos provided, plus usually some additional videos or websites to look at. You're going to have a week prep. The week prep is a few questions to just kind of guide what we're going to look at this week. Now the week prep is going to be used what we call modified mastering astronomy. So you're going to need to buy your textbook, and your textbook is in the form of an ebook. If you want to buy the physical book, that's going to be separate, but you have to buy the ebook and Mastering Astronomy because they're a package deal. So when you buy Modified Mastering Astronomy, that is your online homework system, and that's going to give you a free ebook with it. Ebook just means electronic book, meaning you can read it on your computer or your tablet or your phone. So each module is going to have a week prep assignment, which you access through Canvas, but it takes you to the Modified Mastering Astronomy website, which is through your publisher for the textbook, Pearson. You're also going to have a weekly homework assignment, and that is also through Modified Mastering. But you'll be able to access both of those through the Canvas site, and I'll show you how to do that in another video. Okay, so your weekly modules will have a reading assignment, the week prep assignment, your lecture notes that are in video form and notes, your homework assignment, and then some kind of activity or discussion board forum, and then your weekly quiz. And that will look the same every week. Okay, so that's the very basics of the course. There's also one big assignment in this course that's called the Current News Assignment. This is one of my favorite assignments. It's a chance for you to research what's currently happening in astronomy today and share that news with me and with your fellow students. So you'll be assigned either a topic, or I might let you guys pick the topic, but you'll be assigned a week that you need to research the news, summarize it in two forms. You're going to summarize it very succinctly in just 280 characters so we can post it on Twitter. And then you're going to have a more full summary, about 2 to 3 paragraphs in length. Okay, and all that information is available to you on the course Canvas site. So that's going to be a side project that you'll do in addition to your weekly modules. And then to wrap the course up, we are going to have a cumulative final exam. Cumulative just means it's going to cover everything we've covered in the course so far. Okay, so that's the course basics. So finish up the introduction module that you're in, the orientation module, and then start poking around the syllabus, and you can dive into module 1. Just get yourself familiar. And then most important, go ahead and start that icebreaker discussion, that get to know you discussion. Okay, and just I'm really excited to meet you, and please keep in touch. You can contact me via email, is probably the fastest, but you're free to call me. I will also have online office hours using the program Zoom, which you'll be able to access directly from the Canvas site. And that's going to be a back and forth video chat conference with me weekly if you would like to do that. If the time that I've designated for that doesn't work for you, just let me know and we can set up an additional appointment to meet up virtually face-to-face. All right, I tried to keep that quick. Welcome to the course. Go ahead and dive in, and at any time you feel like you have a question, please don't hesitate to contact me. All right, good luck, and I'll be hearing from you soon.